deep in my feelings. Notice they ain't really like me. Can't control my anxiety.
Okay, so I'm gonna try to do a talk through, but it's a little noisy, so we'll see. I'm just gonna start by doing my brows. What I use is the old LA Colors pencil in dark brown and their new LA Colors Browie Wowie pencil in the color dark. This one is darker, so I use it for the tail, and this one is lighter, so I use it for the rest of my brow. And I kind of fill in the tail a little bit if I go a little too dark. This one is like $2 for $1, and this one is like $2, I believe. Moisturize my face with the Nivea cream. This small container is $1. I got it from Dollar Tree. You can get it at Walmart, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, and anywhere that sells Nivea. See, you can feel my sun. And I'm gonna really load this on because my face for some reason is super dry. Package in the mail from I got this the other day. I already opened it. Budget Beauty. Y'all know I did a when she first launched her online shop it. I did a review on it. So this video is going to be about affordable makeup that you can buy and still slay your face. And I just want to tell y'all about this mask. I got this the first time I ordered, and I love this cucumber mask. It's hydrated and soothing, and I cannot wait to use it. It's only one for $1. I should have got more, but so these are the products that I got. So as I use them, I'm going to talk about them. So the first one I'm going to use out this bag is the LA Girl Pro Prep High Definition Smoothing Primer. It's a primer. I'm going to try it out. I always want to try it, so hopefully I'll like it. It sort of feels like Smashbox primer and the baby skin. So comment down below and let me know if y'all tried it and if y'all like it. So I'm gonna keep trying it, and then I'll let y'all know how I feel. But yeah, so far I like how it feels. Wait, son.
I can just see.
No, I'm trying to do a top 3, but I can't do now because you're talking so loud. What you want to get in my video for?
So they can subscribe to my channel.
No. Pretty much it. So I'm gonna perfect these brows, and then I'll be back. Okay, so it takes me forever to do my brows, and I still clean them up with the LA Colors concealer and cool tan. I just actually bought this a week ago, and my brows, this one goes like that and this one goes like that, so it takes me forever to clean them up. So I'm gonna go use that same concealer. I'm using too much. And this concealer is higher now. It's not $1.99 no more. It's like $3. And I'm gonna use this to prime my eyelids. Y'all know I do this all the time. So maybe they changed the formula on this, but I don't know. It seems the same to me. I guess I haven't gotten that batch yet, so we'll see. This one, like it's moving a little bit, but then I'm gonna use my air sponge, and I'm just gonna use it to set where I place this concealer. Y'all hear my son? He just laughing. He don't care that I'm trying to film. He just okay, so I bought this beauty treats palette. Y'all know I forgot how much it was. She had a 25% off sale on her website, and I'm just opening the package. I'm gonna throw this away. And the only reason I wanted to try this was because of this color right here. Hope y'all can see it. And it seems like all of these colors are shimmer colors except for this brown. Yep. They all look shimmery. Has shimmer, but not really. They have some shimmer to it, but not really. It's like that first layer. Once you touch it, it's, you know how some eyeshadows have glitter, but that, I don't know, that's not shimmery. So we about to see what look we're gonna be able to create. I'm gonna go into this brown color, I guess. Or should I go on with that color? Go on with this brown color first. That's the one. I'm just gonna go right into it. Use this brush. Y'all, I got so many brushes that I don't like to use. Brand new. I don't know why I'm like that, but I am. See, this can't be no talk through because I got all this background noise. Okay, it's not too dark. Just gonna buff it out. So that's a transition color. It's not too bad, y'all. It's probably the only true matte color in the palette because it doesn't have any shimmer to it like the rest of them. And this is my first beauty treats palette. They are sold at your beauty supply stores. I see them all the time, but I never try them. It's gonna get. And then I'm gonna go into my crease with that orange color or whatever it's supposed to be. I don't know what color is showing up on camera, but it's orange to me. I'm gonna go directly into my crease with that color. It's like pencil type brush. Fall out when I tap. See? Did I pick anything up? Oh. So I can't, if I tap it, it doesn't pick. So I have to go directly on my face with it in order to get it. What I'm trying to say is if I dip my brush into it and tap it out, nothing shows up. See? Dipping it, nothing shows up. But if I dip my brush into it and don't tap off the excess, it shows up. So I don't like that. What y'all think about YouTube's new guidelines to where now they just sent out an email, and I got one. If you don't get 4,000 view hours or 1,000 subscribers, they're gonna take away monetization for your account. Your account can't be monetized. So it's always something with YouTube. And they make it hard for the smaller channels to try to grow because they always taking something away. At first it was 10,000 lifetime views. Now it's this. I'm like, YouTube, y'all don't want nobody to be great. So I guess that means everybody got to work harder, the smaller YouTube. So it was best, I feel, to get into YouTube. And I'm going back in with that brown color. When it wasn't all about money and couple channels and reaction videos and what else? Gaming channels and stuff like that. I mean, and there's nothing wrong with that, nothing at all. But I'm saying it was easier to get into, you know, YouTube if you want to jump in and make money. Which I don't do it for the money. I do it because I want to. And I like doing it, so. Maybe if I go in with this brush, maybe it's this brush. So I'm gonna go, or should I use a different brush? I'm gonna try to use this brush. Maybe to give me what I'm looking for. Because sometimes it's not the eyeshadow, it's the tools you're using. So, okay, so it's not giving me the color I want, or I just gotta work too hard to get the color I want, and I don't like this. So this is a clean brush. I'm going to clean around the edges because it looks crazy to me. I can't really see. I'm gonna go in with my concealer. And what I like to do is look up. I cannot remember, I wish I can remember her name so I can give her the credit for the video, but I was watching her video and she said that you put the concealer down and you look up, that way you can tell how far up to take your cut crease, which makes sense. This color right here, I hope y'all can see. I'm gonna use the same brush. I'm gonna use the brush that I used to apply the concealer. Working with. I'm gonna put this palette down for a second. Then we're gonna add glitter. Okay, so sorry to interrupt y'all, but this is also a product I ordered from Budget Beauty that I was first using, and I'm gonna let y'all know how I like it. These lashes are a pair of lashes that I'm testing because I will be adding a lash box to my online to Beauty Teas box, so I'm gonna just test those lashes out and see if those will be a perfect fit. And right here I'm just popping some blue eyeshadow in my teardrop. And this next item right here is LA Girl. This is a blush bronzer. I also ordered this from Budget Beauty. This is my first time using it. And that's gonna be the end of the tutorial. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video.